Hello everyone, welcome back to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest updates across South Sudan and beyond. In today's program, we focus on South Sudan, a country standing at a very dangerous crossroad. In the last 24 hours, heavy fighting, political confusion, leadership struggles, and serious warning from the United Nations have raised deep concern among citizens and observers. In this report, we will talk about the capture of Waat town in Jonglei state, the growing ego and power struggle inside opposition politics, the government decision to replace Dr. Riek Machar, the first vice president, temporarily, and a strong warning from the United Nations about the risk of losing peace gain. Please stay with us until the end. This information is important, especially as South Sudan approach 2026 election. Before we move on, please help the channel by subscribing and turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload any video, you can be notified. Let's begin our report with fighting in Jonglei, Waat town fall. On December 24th, 2025, the opposition group SPLM announced that it had taken control of Waat town, the headquarters of Nirol County in Jonglei state. According to the opposition, heavy fighting broke out between their forces and government soldiers, SSPDF, from the South Sudan People Defense Force, also known as SSPDF. So what happened? According to the information, SPLM leader said government troops attacked their position first. They claimed the attack happened while local leaders were attending a cultural event in Waat. After the attack, opposition forces say they chased government soldiers all the way to Waat town and overran the military base there. Videos shared online show army fighters celebrating and standing next to military vehicles and weapons they say were captured during the battle. Let's look at the claim from SPLM. An opposition military spokesperson said 3 military tanks were captured. 51 guns were taken. Dozens of government soldiers were killed. Only 1 opposition fighter died. Another opposition official claimed they captured the government commander of the base, a senior army officer. A statement released by Lam Paul Gabriel. Let's look at the situation on the ground. Local sources indicate that they confirm hearing heavy gunfire early in the morning. Nearby areas were also shaken by explosion and shelling. As of now, the government army, SSPDF, has not officially responded. The situation remains very tense. Civilians fear further violence and displacement. The fighting shows once again that peace in Jonglei remains fragile, even though both sides signed the 2018 peace agreement. Let's move on to our second topic story. Opposition politics and the ego problem. Now let us move from the battlefield to political battle, which may be just as dangerous. Opposition parties are supposed to question government decision, protect citizen interests, offer better leadership ideas. But in South Sudan, opposition politics is slowly turning into a fight for personal power, not public service. Let's look at Abdel Baghi vs Costello conflict. A major example is the ongoing fight between Hossein Abdel Baghi Akol and Costello Garengring. Both men claim control over the South Sudan Patriotic Movement, known as SSPM. Recently, Abdel Baghi announced that he had stepped down as the commander of opposition forces and say his fighters were joining the National Army under President Salva Kiir Mayardit. The government welcomed this announcement, but Costello rejected it immediately. Why is this controversial though? Costello and his supporters said Abdel Baghi was already removed from SSPM. He had no legal authority over the forces. The fighters were already part of the peace process. They accused Abdel Baghi of making political theater, not real reform. So let's look at government involvement, raise consent. The controversy became worse when the president met Abdel Baghi. Government officials publicly accepted the forces. Opposition leader warned that civilian politicians should not interfere in military matters. This risks politicizing the army. It weakens trust in the peace agreement. This is not new. SSPM has been divided for years due to leadership fight, personal ambition, competing statement, and suspension. Sadly, this pattern is common in many opposition groups. Let's move on to our third top story, SPLM and PAR declaration. The biggest opposition movement, SPLM, is also facing internal problem. After First Vice President Dr. Riek Machar was arrested, one senior member, Stephen Parkour, announced himself as interim leader. This announcement caused anger and confusion. Dr. Riek Machar's supporters rejected it completely. They believe this faction was created to weaken SPLM-IO. The move was encouraged by the ruling party. It threatened the unity of the opposition. Once again, instead of focusing on peace, reform, and election, leaders are fighting over title and positions. Let's move on. Government appoint Nyandeng to fill Machar role. This is one of the breaking news. Now let us turn to a very sensitive government decision. South Sudan cabinet has chosen Vice President Rebecca Nyandeng Demebure to temporarily take over the role normally led by First Vice President Dr. Riek Machar. Dr. Riek Machar, the First Vice President, is currently suspended from office, facing serious criminal charge on trial linked to the Nasser incident. What the government said? The government say this is only temporary. It means to avoid delay. Government work must continue. Nyandeng will now share the governance cluster, which is responsible for legal reform, constitution making, security arrangement, election preparations. Why this is controversial? The peace agreement clearly states that the first vice president role belongs to SPLM-IO. Any replacement must come from the party. Let's look at the legal expert warning. This decision may violate the peace deal. It could trigger political instability, and trust between parties is already very weak. This issue is being closely watched across the country. United Nations warned of losing peace. Finally, the United Nations has issued a strong warning. The head of UNMISS say South Sudan is facing rising violence, political deadlock, economic suffering, climate disaster. She warned that dialogue alone is not enough. Leaders must take real action. Looking to 2026, next year is very important. South Sudan turned 15 years old. The country is expected to prepare for election, but problems remain. No constitution, no unified army, no clear political trust. The United Nations said peace gain could be lost if leaders continue delaying reform. South Sudan is standing on a thin line between peace and collapse. Guns are speaking louder than dialogue. Ego is louder than responsibility. Politics is becoming personal, not national. If leaders do not change course, violence will continue. Citizens will suffer. Hope for election may disappear again. Peace needs action, not speeches. And leadership needs humility, not ego. And the people deserve truth, safety, and dignity. This is Changfied News. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more honest reporting. Biakamal Guasame ka Changfied YouTube channel. Ban right kaleri kon lat karodian. Kan kono ni amijiram jidid Guasame go region ojin. There Changfied YouTube channel. There is support. There subscribe kadi notification bell. There is twine committee kamichi bere Guasame da chamala shubike jikapet. Ban madan le ro Guas ban jelinkel kado badan ci to ko ja. Leran yaman ban Guasame ka Changfied YouTube channel. Ban right ka kor dana ci to ka Jonglei state. Gwada shala Waat kule la dor kire ka Waat gwan mi chikor cha tuoktin an wala ka chang yandang rawidong wan ka pai wero ronkin dang raw jandang raw dich an kor me tuoga kam SPLM kan kum SSPDF la kor tuoga ka Waat rera ka Waat headquarter Dungnirol County ka Jonglei state Karajan Chanon Kilera Shalat, Shikum SPLM, Yikalado Ken Shaka Mark, Kakurm Didalong, Shikin Ditch, South Sudan People Defense Force, Amanyaka showed the SSPDF. Are a moment to talk, Shikalado Nene, Chicken Ditch SSPDF, Chicken George. And Kum SPLM can issue position down ticket in Dorian. Chaka makeniam ka kore shukan hume SSPDF shukan kule jojok kan maka ke dorshal ke wedang wati ke event melero tin chet ke ngar ke community gathering wan gwada mo shwa yu maktin edini SSPDF ke wedang jan gwadan to ko tinatena ka cultural event milat ke wedang namo ajen gwadana to rekten mi chaka makan dini SPLM kan di almane community wa charin chu jech and when mo chu kan dini kume dini SSPDF chu kan ga chu joch chikan ga joch wona ka Waat chika Waat chikan overrun alo chikan which chikan military base dong SSPDF chikan kap take a video mi cha nyak online dong chiran je chenen der jenen no SPLM fighter they were celebrating ke ngarkan ngarko shike deni SSPDF chicken ka George ka jan video mo tene to wanted chung kutanka ke turbile shwal ke wulit ke dubab shikum SPLM chikala do ne Ramadan la kwar kene chicken deni SSPDF chicken ka George chicken torbil didang jok chicken ka kef ala 3 military tang chicken ka capture ka chicken match to chop gajan divide kel chicken ka cap ka chicken deni chicken ka nak deni SSPDF kan peg den kan kulalat kwidi na kan shaga na gram kel karwada kan cha na gram kel gwadan ti ko che tokten kan yes filaiwo shineten kontin la commandery nying SPLM chikala do nene shinay government commander menteka base la senior army officer chikana kaf alo ja pin tetka ke ja tetka SPLM tamma ka jodan chalat chikala do nene sha civilian cha jogo no de yarudun wochray wich ka Waat gwadan cha Waat cha captain ko wa dongde kume SSPDF dongde kana de kan kamak ni ten wenamo what situation bejamat ko go gen obi ne to kontla jukume don bi retaliate ke be kan to be kan nyob me kan ka kume marai ke kirme yadit ke dene SSPDF wa tele warga mi kana gor ke kan ka respond ka jen kalema me mishala de kum SPLIO ano shikan de ni SSPDF jikan ga joy ka Waat ka cha video no wan kan tur wan cha nen ka social media ta nyu da no cha Waat cha ja kef tor bieli amena match ti jikan ga kef ka shikan de ni SSPDF ano shikan kanak ka ka kan cha nang garam kel so na me da la le dan de len kenya ler den gwase me bana racha ka kur kona talk kam siasin ke ne konti la politician ne kan ne tin konti la kwar ka opposition wati kan kalwang ko de kan kuma de kan teach ke decision de kontin let kan ka ko take a decision to wana tam lat ka shit kan dan shi talk ka Abdel Bagi kan wuri shal ka costello conflict e chi talk ka Abdel Bagi jana jalla kwaro ne kasawa jen shala do chetiai ke chejien ka par na modo shawa ka charo jen bodo chak par do dien shula do no jen charo da bar ka bonan chol ke SSPM ka charo da bar ke deni chop ke kin dang jogur ku dang baro ati shula do no ken chaka convert ke chaka le la national army pinkir mi yadit and then ka kore shi wuda mem shala coastal ne shala do man shala Abdel Bagi ya kach Abdel Bagi jen charge removed ka SSPM shala ngol lakwar kenetele je legal authority ka kui de intela de no ke de ni ke ti chenyo ko mama da ka national army yala do na me man chalat wa kach she talk ana me amada le ro da ka kui Abdul Bagi kan kuma da na je tan cha jogo no mala de mo kach man cha kula da kan ne ti tin right bona shwal ke SSPM kani shi Abdul Bagi shi kim yadi te kai kach ko chi je kana president Salva Kiir ano la de jeno che de shala pindu wa jentele je de dana tetin e de SSPM na me mle roda wana ka SPLM ayo kana parkol declaration la opposition party mendine jen ala SPLM ayo ngai kona tiken ke internal conflict ke internal problem mutoka ke ka kor gwade dana sha first vice president Dr. Yang Machaten me chaje yen chete karam kel mla senior member kapad SPLIO ela Stephen Parkol shuro da sholo no jena kwar ke interim leader asho teten lo jena kwar muko president Dr. Machar lo gwi jena wajende ja kwanya la first by president ka kwa Dr. Machar abana mo kana talk she ne content chunkel ka first by president Dr. Machar asho kan Parkol asho kan reject ke chwa me chalat chwa je lok chwa gwi jena me chalat ke liu tara ya kach ka chi talk wa medane loka Parkol kaja awa Parkol lat kaja la kwar ko be SPLIO be jada ka be weekend o be party SPLIO be jada na me jene dan shora lat jene loka Parkol kaja so antama chi that conflict tin but take mi chora kula lar nyok very important ler dan ban lingwasme government man right ke kirmu yadi chicken nyandeng mala vice president won chicken kwan chicken lat gwa Dr. Machar right now right corner nyandeng chala rojen chalat ka first vice president ka gwa Dr. Machar South Sudan cabinet shika dual kana shika vice president Rebecca nyandeng da mabiur chicken kwan temporarily alo milimijentin ko be position dung first vice president Dr. Machar ana ba gwar bajakan lo jan gwadan bulletin Dr. Yang Machar position dani titin ki position dani leletin wal ken yam chane kon ngajino jan chaja George office ka kwiri ga medan shi to Nasir gwadan ci korme toktin kam nur waya miken SSPDF chwa first by president Dr. Machar chwa chaka ken wajen te ga titin jan mutere lokantama position dani titin ngai kone ano opposition midit antam me ku me che nyogo nyuren ku me kirmu yadit akana ta dana kwan kana nya den ka gwa Dr. Machar ekane gwa tot milimi jenten kana lokano be reform ki ta dana lak election gajen wo bele tege delayment nyandeng be di albagalat ka ta dan la first by president la kala deja nyandeng bala responsible ketin kon lat Carodian ka governance cluster let you contain la first by president Kalat la Dr. Machar a legal reform mi take mala skelet Dr. Machala jala done constitution making ala bongoni Dr. Machala jala le done security arrangement no ba force ba mat gwaskel first by president la jala done ala Dr. Machar anyok election preparation bo first by president Dr. Machar. But right now can all this task ki ledity chaga kam nyandeng in absence of Dr. Machar ne me ne de wan dier ke lon ka tadan bu kumbo ka jentama ka peace agreement edan e chatan yo de jagwan wonena first by president lade o beri dial bakalat ka rule mo a why rule kum SPLM ayo misha SPLM ayo chaje woje tamachi misha first by president chaje woje la Dr. Machar wanyu de jeno te correct wan lat ko rodien ko shagu jeno che chong eno de first by president de jowoje ajen jodan chalat gwaseme and decision mission kana me a wache dial cheka yar yar dial cheka yar lere jo gwaseme men chala de United Nation chicken rajin wonena ta dan len ngwaru den gajen tamare wich ka South Sudan wa yer kan mali alotel mal me broda lat ko peace agreement dan e chatan wacha je yarantam kirim yadit ka jodan chalat gwaseme ideality ka tilat ka rodien de konte ka ngetin ano watch first by president abanyan den garang balaten nyot jeno triek meditaten ray wich ka South Sudan jen jodan gorde nywa konkel ane biata gamal bye bye.